Hi, and welcome to Card Shop at Argenta. I'm Julie with the Argenta Branch Library, and we're part of the Lehman Library System here in North Little Rock, Arkansas. Card Shop is a program that we offer virtually, and we're happy to have you join us by calling the Argenta Branch Library at 501-687-1061 to reserve yourself a card kit to follow along with our videos. Be sure to watch our videos on social media, YouTube, Facebook. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And remember that libraries are more than just books. And now I'm going to turn it over to Kerstin and enjoy today's video.
Thank you, Julie. I'm really happy to be back. Happy New Year. And with January starting, we are going to have Maker's Choice, and it's about Love is in the Air, preparing us for Valentine's. And what is better than having a handmade or giving a handmade card to the person you care most about? So in your January kit, you find nothing but pattern paper and card bases where you can make your own cards for the special person you would like to give this handmade card to. And today I would like to show you an example I have made. And this is what I made with the Maker's Choice. All I did was basically have my base card. I folded it in half. I cut out the pattern paper, put this piece on top of my base card, cut out the oval part, cut out the sentiment in an oval, glued those halfway together, put risers behind the sentiment, and just simply glued it on top of the pattern paper, and that is the finished part of my card. We'd like to see what you created, so please share that with us. I would like to thank you for joining us. We will see you again next month. Have a good day.